I have a new unboxing. Welcome to another episode of Glam Pink Girly Wednesday. Hi, my name is AON and this is my bag love story. Come and join me in unboxing my new bag. Let's see. So this is their tag and the color of the bag is pink purple. Perfect for our Glam Pink and Girly Wednesday. Original MOSSDOOM bags always comes with a dust bag so that you can put it back in the dust bag when you're not using them to maintain them so that you can use it for longer time, longer years. Cardboard for protection. This bag is called Renee from MOSSDOOM, Indonesia. Let's first open. So it came with this tag. So first, let's remove this. So this is the bag. It's called Renee in the color pink purple. But for me, I think it has some mauve tone to it. The pink is really pretty. I really love the shade of this bag. It is not the typical pink that we see. I really don't like the peach pink shade, but this one has some earth tone to it, like a neutral, classy, unique color in my bag collection. And still, it is in pink. This bag measures 25.5 by 16 by 9.5. On the front, it looks like this. It has the material that is very soft, smooth. This is scratch proof. It has their logo that is like engraved in this area. The front looks like this. The back looks like this. The front and back looks identical. The bottom looks like this. It has some structure so it can stand on its own. The handles are long. I've adjusted it in this longest setting because I wanted the shoulder straps to be very long, but you can set it into 3 different lengths. So here is the zipper area. This is the zipper pull that has some weight to it. Very substantial zipper pull. Very classy. And when you open, very smooth zippers. This is painted gold zipper, but it is a black plastic zipper on the other side. Although I wish they have placed a metal zipper, gold zipper, that would be better, more classy feel. So the inside looks like this. It has one zippered area. The zipper pull looks like this. Smaller version of this outer zipper pull. The inside is a zipper area. On the other side is a pocket, wide pocket. The inside of this bag is in fabric in color taupe. Looks really nice that the inside of the bag is not always brown or black. This color looks fresh. It's in the middle of the dark and lighter version. You can easily see your things inside. Wide bottom. You can put many things inside of this bag. Very excited to use this. The thing that really attracted me to buy this bag is because of its look-alike. Where this bag was inspired from is a wish list in my bag collection for a very long time. It's very pricey still for my budget, for my lifestyle. So when I saw this, although it is inspired by that supposedly bag wish list that I want to get, so I think the price difference is a very big difference. So I grabbed this opportunity to test this out to see if that specific bag meet my personal bag needs and my bag essentials, would accommodate or most of my bag essentials for everyday use. The bag that I was referring to, it is very trendy in the luxury industry. It is from the brand Coach and it's called the Swing Zip Shoulder Bag from Coach. I really want to have that bag for a long time. That is made from a genuine leather. It is from glove tan leather. It is a very durable bag. If this bag would fit my everyday essentials, I would definitely save up to get that Coach swing zip that I would really like to buy for the longest time. Although that is very pricey. I really have to save up for that. But now, I would like to test this one that looks like it. This is a look-alike. This is inspired by that Coach swing zip bag. And this is called the Renee bag from MOSSDOOM. When I browsed from MOSSDOOM, I saw many bags that were inspired by famous designs from luxury designers and brands. This brand is a very affordable luxury bag alternatives, luxurious bags, those pricey ones. So just in case you would like to test out first before plunging into the pricey bags that you are aiming to buy, why not try their brand and see if that bag would fit your lifestyle? So I really see one of my wish list, which is the Coach swing zip in this bag. That's why I got this. And this bag comes in different colors: the black, beige, apricot, brown, light blue, this pink that was sold out after I got this. I'm lucky to have grabbed this color, very beautiful color. And one that was sold out since last year is the crimson, that is like in the color wine color or burgundy. So I am waiting for that to come back in stock. Probably I'll get that as well. So if you love beautiful yet affordable luxury bag alternatives that are minimalist, simple, and classy, also glam, pink, and girly, or some fun kawaii finds bag essentials and accessories, please go ahead and subscribe. I really hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Just always remember to thank God for all the beautiful blessings. Till next time.